In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that help me grow my YouTube channel to 100 subscribers and 10,000 views in just 1 week. If you are new here, I share SEO tips on my channel to help you grow your blog, website and YouTube channel online. So consider subscribing if you want to learn more. Number one place to share your video is Facebook groups. That is very powerful if you do it the right way. Now, do not go out and share on YouTubers' Facebook group. It's so easy to get carried away and go share your link on YouTubers' Facebook groups because it feels like they're all supporting each other. But trust me, if your niche doesn't match with their interest or topic, then they will not watch your video. So you can go out and promote your video on, let's say, vidIQ group or new YouTubers group, all that type of YouTubers group, but they're not going to watch your video. They will comment on your Facebook group post, they will motivate you, they will congratulate you, but they will not watch your video. So where can you share your video? You should be sharing your video on your niche topics. If you are cooking channel, then go share your video in Facebook groups which are based on cooking. If you are a dog trainer and if your channel is about dog training, go find the dog training Facebook group and share your video there. If you teach makeup tutorials and any kind of niche, find that niche, that topic on Facebook group. Do not share on generic even YouTubers group because they're not gonna watch your video. My next tip is Twitter and Instagram. They are very powerful tools. Again, how you target is through hashtags. You got to use the right hashtags in your post. So when you post on, let's say, Instagram, you got to use the right hashtag to target your audience. So if I'm making a video for YouTubers, I must type hashtag YouTube tips. Now, how to find those exact hashtags? I have a pro tip for you. Look around other YouTubers in your niche and find their Instagram profile and see what they are sharing, especially the new YouTubers who are around, let's say, 1,000 to 10,000, somewhere in between, because new YouTubers would be making more effort on social media to promote their videos. So see what hashtags they are using. I found really good hashtags, collection of hashtags in a new YouTuber's Instagram post. So that is what you can do as well. Try to find right hashtags for Twitter and Instagram in this way. Look at your competitors' hashtag, look at what they are doing. But again, the competitor, the other YouTubers who has to be in around within less 10,000, because if they are a big YouTuber, then they already have the popularity and they do not have to worry about creating a special post or special hashtag. They are already big and they already have that audience. So you got to look at small YouTubers in your niche and see their Instagram post, see their Twitter post, and try to get inspiration from there. Now, another pro tip here, use canva.com to create amazing, attractive images. And when you post on Instagram, tell them, go check out your video, the link in bio, so the profile bio, because Instagram does not allow a direct link in your caption. So edit your profile in your Instagram and put your latest video link there and share the latest video's photo in your Instagram and put the caption as whatever the topic is, and then tell them to go check out the link in the bio. And with Twitter, you can actually share multiple times in a day, because Twitter, the things are flowing pretty fast and your post is easy to get lost in the whole crowd. So you feel free to post your video multiple times in a day, multiple times in a week, in a month, and that really works with the right hashtag. Next, third tip is go and comment on popular YouTubers' channel. When the moment they release their video, go and comment there to attract more eyes towards your channel. Now again, do not go for the channels who have millions of subscribers, because your comment will be lost within few seconds. So what you gotta do is find YouTubers who are around, I would say, somewhere between 50 to 100,000 subscribers, and make sure you give really good value in your comment. Don't just say that, first of all, complete no sub for sub. Never do sub for sub, never do any spam in anyone's comment. and don't even indirectly try to mention your channel in your comment, because those things will actually get you banned from YouTube. So your account can be banned. So don't do stuff for stuff, don't do any spam, any dodgy things. Anyway, so you need to put the good value in your comment, try to get more likes, and once you have more likes in your comment, then you will be above other comments, and that's how you get more eyeballs towards your channel. Now another tip is you can always add your niche next to your name. So if my name is Vikas Rana, or I can add something like YouTube tips, SEO tips, something like that. But that's again your preference, whether you do it or not. But that adding that thing, let's say makeup tutorial, like let's say Jenna makeup tutorials, if you go out with this name and comment on other channels, then people will see that you actually do makeup tutorials. If someone is interested, they will go out and actually check out your channel and maybe subscribe to you as well. Number 4 tip is decide your niche. Make sure your first few videos, if you're launching, let's say 4 or 5 videos in the beginning, because you can't go out promoting with one video, right? You got to have at least 3 to 4 videos or 5 videos in your channel, and then only you can go out promoting your channel. Because if somebody comes on your channel, then they got to see that you are serious about YouTube, and that means you should have 4 to 5 videos. Stick to one topic in your first few videos and stick to your niche. You want to position yourself to a specific thing. People should know you as an expert in something particular. Okay, and that is how people will subscribe you. If you are an SEO expert, position yourself as an SEO. I've been doing SEO for 9 years, and I'm of course trying to come across as an SEO expert and trying to teach people about YouTube algorithm, about Google algorithm, and trying to help them grow online and grow in search engine, grow their rankings in search engine. So if you see my other videos, I have shared my experience there, how to grow your ranking in YouTube, in Google. My next tip is Google Ads. Guys, what Google Ads can do for you in just one day and in just $5 may take you hours and hours to do, because Google is very powerful and they know where to promote your video, and you can even set the targeting in your Google Ads. That means you just have to spend $5 and 5 minutes to set up. I have shared this in my other video, so go check out that video where I've shown you how to set up your Google Ads for YouTube video in just 5 minutes. And all you have to do is just spend $5 on per day, and you can of course spend more if you have the budget, but basically, just spend $5 and YouTube will go out and promote your video to other in your niche. How powerful is that, especially when you're new? Now don't worry about the watch time, because that's a pro tip. Another pro tip I have for you is YouTube's employee himself has said this, that YouTube see different traffic sources differently. So watch time from external sources will not affect your overall watch time. So you do not have to worry about if somebody clicks on your ad and only watch for 20-30 seconds. Guys, if you are passionate about YouTube, I'm sure you can save money from maybe do not eat pizza for 1 week, and maybe not maybe skip the coffee or something like that. Just save the money and spend money there, at least in first few days. But I have to say this, make sure it's not addictive. Make sure you do not depend on Google Ads. This is only for first few days of your launch of your channel, to get your first 100 subscribers. Again, you have to do all those things that I mentioned in this video. You have to create quality content, only then people will subscribe to you, even with the Google Ads. But it can be a quick way to achieve that milestone, the first 100 subscribers, and that is how you can actually get thousands of views and thousands of people watching your video and your channel, and that is how you can get 100 or even more than 100 subscribers. Now guys, if you want to learn SEO and if you want to learn about YouTube and Google's algorithm, which is a very powerful thing, especially when you're new to YouTube or new blogger, or if you have a website, if you have a brand, if you have a business, learn exclusive SEO tips in my other videos. So consider subscribing to this channel if you want to learn all those exclusive SEO tips, and go watch my other videos where I've shared SEO tips to grow your brand online.